Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your app of Google Meet. To know how to fix Google Meet not working or your issues on Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Google Meet app. After that, in this page of app info, we click on first stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.